Kushong timrawan nga vangkhui kavai Manipur Governor na kasataira. Shiri Lili Panithi State Tourism Industry ringuli shit kangasa kamataya paikarna the Tourism Secretary na hangaira. Security personnel na Palmi pingsat kasa MST pas kamda ot ngurutli kaha wuivang AMWJU eina EGM na strike ngawawaira panelist kasa puwaira. Lekyang tor achi Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Worthem Ngalung ina pami dalei pau bing may sai na nganang rumsa. Yari no honjingjing lekasa kapanga Shiri Lili state level panit haupokaira. Ni jiwi ang ran angaye heritage ground wangayand Shiri village li haupok the Manipur wi Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana masowa sada wasanga. Shiri Lili Festival is sustainable tourism kokotomay ng soda environmental awareness like nga sakwi ningrin kani hili banda ni hi state wi cultural calendar li yari na honjingjing gachi ang ran angaye aka nga sahira da masowa jina hanga. Achukumva panithiwi kapanga editions kanga samang manila timrawan discover kasawi 75th anniversary mo kamayon la ngasada ecological pase na ari later khalei ngasyon ngasun kami mai kaya atam ngasaya kachi Governor Ajay Phalana hanga. Shiri Lili hi awan kanga samang maningla shiri kapung mangli kawan kanga cha dimlon wi tekamateya kana. Timrawan hi apan kateli mawan tuda shiri hi timrawan wan kavai pamang maningla wan yuji ngavakhui kavai ngakhui kavai apan ngasaya da Governor jina hanga. Chithada sada shiman pailaki na khalei wan yur kangaki itum saikorali ot ngarut na kachi panithiwi itum li paning ungasaka da masowo jina kasataira. Timrawan kawan atam li mayonda apam ngatete de wi eina ungazang ping wuivang panit hina Tangkhul nagawi mathala kahai shangla kahai ngashan tering khui apong kami ngasaya da Governor Phalana masot miya. Panit hi lumshilawmang mga sala kangacha dimlon li kangakala ngashan wi mai kaya ningkasat kami ngasarunu da Governor Phalana hangsanga. Katur ka Shiri Lili panit liwa ayar ngalewi mi pingli ngkhota mi jungmei sang sakavai sada Governor na kasatsanga. Shiri Lili Panithi 2017 Kum State Festival sada mayon poka. Governor Ajay Phalana Shiri Kushongli kaka achiwi hina kare ngasaya. Panit hau kapog ang ran ang yejili DNL President Swart Vashum eina DNL President Denison Kushung na kaya wasada wasanga. Governor li ngasoda Madras High Court wi Justice Krishna Ramasamy Chief Secretary, IBR Manipur Prasad Kumar Singh, IAS Tourism Director, IBR Pucha Ilangpam, IAS, DIBR or IBR Director, Utam MCS, IDTL CS Anurang Pachpai IFS, Atumla Vazanga. Inaugural ceremony chili, Shiri Lili discover Kasawi 75th anniversary souvenir Pongmiera. Shiri Lili Panithi itum jiwi ena mayon kwisa the Ukraine DCIS Ashes Tasna Hangsanga.
I'm glad that the inaugural function was a huge success. There was a good crowd and people were cheering, and Honorable Governor went to and Chief Secretary went to the top of the Shiro in the morning, and they came back, they participated wholeheartedly, and many people turned up, even unexpected guests like the Justice in Madras High Court also turned up. So it was a quite good experience, like quite satisfied. The biggest challenge was we were not prepared. So it was happened all of a sudden. Usually we used to get the preparation time for 5-6 months, and everyone know it was coming. So this time we didn't get that luxury. Just we got around 30 odd days. Then we had to arrange, we had to manage everything within this short span, including the development works, including the construction of the road, repairs, and the arrangement of the cultural program, and managing all the stakeholders. That was the biggest challenge. But like somehow it got through. unity in diversity. Come, cherish, enjoy the festival with us, and take back some memories of Ukrul and Shiroi.
Shirui lili nidre kamayoni karesada ayang azin tron show chiteira Manipur state we awan Shirui lili state wanau nongyin kala state sayur sangai chau hikata hi kazing ramli tron eina semjiteya panit hiwi ang ran ang yeli kanui thod na khon chingching khalei min yaw me thui kachi kachang shirokli pakshi groundli haupokaira Shirui lili panit kasam kavai zat kasa paumi pingli security forces na kahaple kahai wuivang All Manipur Working Journalists Unions AMWJU Kala Editor Guild Manipur EGM na strike ngawawaira ban down strike chi aya na hopok the journalist fraternity na kangacha ot ngarut ka khuichi makhui mi mara jaira Kapa solutions mara aka ban down strike chi sangmei sawa paira jaira Shirui lili panit we pau khui mikhavai aya ngator pau mi ping Ukrul district li kaura da Manipur State Transport MST pasli zat kasali security personnel na kam de bus chili thaga hai Manipur State Transport chi sa kim khavai hangawa bus chi panit wuivang Transport Department na Directorate of Informations and Public Relations li mikashokna Ochochi Guadapi checkpoint Imphal East li kashokna Hitada kahap lehauda media team ping atumbi official assignment notada capital hanung hawaji AMWJU kala EGM na maram wuivang governor li kapisang da paumi ping chili haras kasa ping chiwi tungli kataka action kui ka vainga kawera chithi chili kahang pas chili atum paumi maku DIBR staffing soda zat kasana kari ji routine security check makanda checkpoint kathum makanai rasaya ka kwaltapi vakashungli maharegiment personnel pingna kamda Manipur State Transport bus makuli kachite sakim kavai hangawaji State alumni zada khalei state chokarna kamikari chuwi aming sakim luda kahang hiwi maram kakhalat bunga pada media professional pingna kanghan sai pani chili atam jada kazang Panit chili atam jada kazangai hauda atumli kahangji sure kavai sai ka security forces li nasan kapamli atam taraka shiman hawa chiwivang journalist pingji infal hanung laka nauda atum khalata kari ngaran kui waji Ochochi na pressway ningkhan yari safety kala security li sakla kahai kanghan lenga sakaira Manipur hi kipana governed Sada khalei khala state government ka central security forces na govern ka sa khala kachi kanghan lenga sakaira state na gutom kami shongza chili ka shok khala chiz kami ochot chiwivang authorities na thar kami shokavai media personnel ping na poira state government we carry state lungli kasatli central security forces personnel na kakam kakhalat khikhala kachi kanghan saira kuki community na khungasung leader khalei unacceptable na kha phaptaya kha central forces na kuki demandly kotom de khalei hiva unprecedented kala blatantly illegal otsak na da paumi bingchina makamaya pongshokaira Panit wuivang Imphal du Ukrul kasat ping ngotor pung turok eina ngazin pung matiwi alungli zat kavai salu da Ukrul wi ADM na kahangli team jina shuda atam jada kazat na da hangsanga security personnel wi otsak ji paumi ping wi professional duty li kahap na jaira Maram wuivang All Manipur Working Journalists Union Kala Editor Guild Manipur na aya kazipam laka achi ban down strike hapokra kaji tuitak katana Manipur state government li kangasun pau saikoru kala Manipur li ot kasa state in a central forces we pau saikoru mapong mi mara chihaira ochochiwi inquiry lay me the responsibility ling saklu shiro lili festival li kasang government official being organizing duty mathada makasa wuivang panelist salu kachi pohaira ochod apam juwi official kala personal in charge pingli action kuilu kachili pohaira hikata hi khanau khanali mashok lui khawai stakeholder pingli mathada khangasan like high department of information and public relations li chiz khami pohaira maram wuivang amwju eina EGM we emergency general body meeting aching athor pung thara the akhali Manipur press club li pamra dalei governor li memorandum misang khawai protest rally satra kachila hanga maram hi thakta yangsang mida chikatha puk ngapa shok ngasak saran mathada masa kshap paumi pingli kahap maring kapha shok ngasak ka hai mang maningla atumi ot ngurutli hap ka hai wuivang panelist ka sa po haira Fort Maha Regiment Kala Border Security Force PSF we otsakli makamaya pongshokta the People's Progressive Alliance Manipur PPAM na Security Governor Security Advisor Kala Chief Secretary li memorandum misangaira maram hi Manipur State Transport MST bus ochot chili ngasunda condemn kasana otsakchi state kayakha sovereignty li sajida civilians authority mangli maningla freedom of movement and expression lila sajiya the PPAM na hanga governor in council kala state administration we component pingna tuitakta ka highly makan khawai military jurisdiction malay mana kachi hangsanga government transport li state we aming Kui ta khawai military power shikichinji authority pangshap shichin khangui kala democratic framework matung makan ka hai otsak na the PPAM na hanga chikatha otsak chia ethnic khangakai thukmei nasakhaura state vehicles kala media personal pingli rinda armed force na communal khangakai hi sakshimei ngasak kapai risk le khangasak na Kangachi mermay nga sa kawai kasana da PPAM na makamaya pong shokaira. Maha Regiment we otsak wuivang official implement lay nga saklu kala military units li civil na chongmaya kachi state leadership na tuimilu kachi PPAM na pohaira. Infal Yukul Gazette MST buses kala yarili kahab malay kawai authorities na yangsang kami kala security escort jiho kami pohaira. Kwatapi pamli kahai Indian Army we Maha Regiment we otsakli coordinating committee on Manipur integrity Gogomina condemn sada atumbi otsakchi Manipur state we authority li matay kamina jihaira. Shiri lili panit kasang khawai zat kasa MST busli security forces china kakham kala Manipur aming khwita khawai kakaso kwatapi checkpoint li shokahai ochot chili ngashunda kokomi na makamaya chanpao mi shoka kokomi IBR subcommittee we governor Laikuram Chayandana kahang army we otsakchi irresponsible kasamang maningla apam hi destabilize sa kawai sada khalei illegal element pingwi sa kakhayang agendas li ngari lakhawa otsakchi state li khayamagishina kichi hangda Manipur hi undeclared military rule wi azingli khalei da kokomina khangahan sai Central Forces China Civil Authority li matung makanaira Governor kala state official kateina security tui mikhavai chili khaya mashitura da kokomina hanga otsak chiwi accountability lengasakta kathaka explanations mikhavai demand saira kala state hilli non-local forces chi hoda khalei chi yangsang milushit khawai Indian shokarli pohaira Manipuri atam kasang ka khoong khawali kahab leida ra khai wuivang Manipur Congress na ningka kharik pongshokaira Congress Bhavan Imphali Press Kazipam da Manipuri Free Movement Rastri Kasamaram All India Congress Committee AICC member kala Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee wi senior spokesperson of the Ningompam Pupenda Maidena Ningkharik Lakaina Pongshoka Pupenda Maidena Kahang PM Modi na Katan Union Government kala President rule azingli khalei state administration na state wi region nauping wi fundamental rights to free movement maling sak kharar hi Congress party na ningkhariklaka Manipur State Transport Corporation's bus outshot chili asunda Pupenda na maram hi pongshoka State alungli state transport ina tangda mathada mazat paya kha ichacha ma rijum nauping na state safe sada tekhui ra kachi shorkar na kathada jihan paira khala da Pupenda na khanghan sai Congress spokesperson jina double engine shokarli madukui da president rule na basic machine kala security mamirur thura kachi hangsanga constitutional values khangka khawai kala free movement le khawai union shorkar kala Manipur shorkar na kathaka phaikar khui khammi Congress spokesperson jina demand saira Northeastern region NER apprenticeship training promote sakawai Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship MSDE na pilot scheme lal akha launch saira scheme ji aya aizoli chayat Chowdhury Minister of State Independence Charge Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship kala Mizoram Chief Minister Ladu Homa Anina launch Samia later collect National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme NAPS li matai kasang initiative Chiwi azingli youth pingli structured paid kala high quality apprenticeship apong miki kichina kala pilot initiative chiwi azingli NERW youth tingmakada truk eina zingkum akawi wang additional lupa tingka shapanga kachang kachida sampangra kala chi NAPS we regular stipend li additional karana he Northeast region we apprentice being Northeast kala apun kateli training kuida khalei being na apply sami paira pilot initiative wuivang lupa 43.94 crore kushok miera chili lupa 4 crore na outsearch capacity building kala project implementations wuivang sangaji Rarada Khalei taught wuivang Shiri Lili ngak mikhavai Manipur Tourism Secretary IAS Warshang Hungyona kasataira fit Shiroi Lili state level panitwi haukapok ang ran ang yeli tourism secretary Warshang Hungyona welcome kala keynote speech kamili panit hiwi aman kasa maramli hangsanga Panithi zingkum khani shanglaka kamayon eina ngasoda Shiri Lilium Maclinia discover kasawi hangshini da kapanga anniversary kamayon hi kangaja dimlont kawang kakui kala nation kamayon di itum saikorali commitment amahang saya sustainable responsible tourism ecological conversation kala indigenous culture mashiman kawai collective commitment kajit jitaya da kahanga ajukum shiri lili panit mayon poklui kahai hi state with tourism industry ring ungli shit kangasak kamataya pekar nasaya da Manipur tourism secretary Worshang Yona hangsanga lili ji kateli maling sang pai to the conservation's effort darkar saya itum khangacha dimlon hiwi mayon mi sada rada khalei thot wuivang shiri lili nga khami hi itum wi ot ngurut na the tourism secretary IAS Worshang Yona kasat sanga latluida achuwi kamataya pauping Kishong Dimrawan ngawang kui kafai Manipur governor na kasataira Shiri lili panithi state tourism industry ringuli shit kangasa kamataya pekarna the tourism secretary na hangaira security personnel na Palmi pingsat kasa MST bus kamda ot ngurutli kahapuivang AMWJU eina EGM na strike ngawawaira panelist kasa puwaira Achui pau healing changaira pau ngana da khalei Nathum saikorali ring kapha kala kamaya simik shong sa serana